going to put some things in the store there.
Okay.
So I'm coming now from meeting the outdoor.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes.
How do you?
This one is a chicken coop.
Yes.
They were building the house.
Yeah.
I saw Nani building here too.
Yeah.
But they, at this age,
Yeah.
expected even building the house, the wall. Now building the house.
Yes.
The chicken coop. I'm saying like people now believe I'm being like a mentor. You know, other people now believe like life can change.
Yes, for real.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's true because
It's true. Yeah. Yo. What's up, my people? So welcome to this amazing channel. My name is Mwita. Welcome to this amazing channel. It's another day being here, and it is evening. I can say good evening, everyone, wherever you are in the world. Let me know where are you watching from. It's Mwita, but the YouTube channel is Mwita Official. So I think you're all doing good wherever you are. Thank you so much for always taking your time to visit, to watch, to like, and also to comment. So it's another day. I'm at the Ignorance home. This is the villa, and I said let me start my video from here, heading to Fadela construction site. So is where I'm heading to right now. But before I said let me show you the progress in the villa before I leave. So I hope you are all doing good. Like the video, subscribe, share, comment, and also you can watch until the end. Leave something in the comment section, so when I pass I can see you, that you watch the video, you subscribe to the channel, and also you are always supporting the channel. So this is the villa, and this tree sometimes makes me to remember Kino. You know, we did this landscaping the time Kino he was here, so it's the one who we did, and the Tyson. But sometimes I miss them so much, because where we did every day, like almost a week, we were here preparing and making sure that we can have the landscaping we have today. I can see you see what we did that time. So my phone sometimes it has a problem in editing, so I think some people you have noticed that, because there's no enough storage to edit the video. That's why I must reduce the resolution so that I can convert the video. I bought a new memory card, but still it can't work. Maybe if I can have the GoPro, because here in InShot, when the app that we normally edit the video, it can't work with the external memory card. So we just still have the problem, and I think maybe if you can have the GoPro it could be better. But because we don't have, we should remove. We must reduce the resolution, then we convert the video before we have the final video. Anyway, I hope today is being Tuesday. I was in Tanzania. There's a funeral was there, so I attended. But I said let me come because I supposed to do a video, and my phone was 0%. I said let me come, and I charged the phone before. You know, when you are using the phone, in everything you must charge the phone so that you can have your phone can have the charge before you start the video. So I asked for a permission to come, and I thank God because they understand me, and to be here at some big gift from God, because no one could knew that he could be alive on this day. But I'm so grateful to those who subscribe to my channel, and I really thank you for the subscription. So I don't want to take the time, but I want to show the progress, then I will read heading to Fadela construction site. So enjoy the video, subscribe. Let me turn the camera so that you can see the progress, and we shall proceed. So this is the progress in the Vera Rindima, you know, and the mason are still working, and you can see, wow. So this is one of the handyman, and let him say hi before you go. How my bro? How are you?
So fine. How are you?
I'm good.
My name is Anthony.
Anthony who? Anthony Mwita. Oh, that's good.
We come from Tanzania.
Yeah.
We are Masons. We are Masons. That's why we are building something like Gorofa.
Gorofa, maybe you can call it apartment.
Apartment. Yeah. I'm so sorry. No English sometimes difficult sana because of studying. Yes. We are building here now the apartment.
Yes.
This is apartment number 3.
Yes.
Yeah. It can be the last. But
no, 2 because the first one we don't count it.
Yeah, we are counting from
the second one.
Second.
Yeah.
Now there's the first. This is the second.
Yeah.
This is the second.
This is the second. Yeah.
Yes. We don't know that, but it may be the last. Or
yeah. It will be the last.
It will be the
no,
last.
it's the last one.
Yes.
So how is everything in Tanzania? How is everything in Tanzania?
Everything in Tanzania is cool.
Yes.
We are good, but somebody like our president is doing something like we don't like because
no. You should not speak politician because they don't like the way some people they meet.
In Tanzania, but our president is known as Mama Samia.
Yes.
Something went wrong, but all in all, God will bless us.
But they are saying that yes. in coming months, date 9 you have the demonstration.
Yeah, date 9
mtakuwa na maandamano.
Tutakuwa na maandamano ya inasemekana kwamba tutakuwa na maandamano. Yes. Lakini hatuna uhakika kwa sababu ni vitu ambavyo hatujajua bado. Hatuna evidence kwamba tutakuwa na maandamano.
But you people you fear a lot.
Mimi naomba Mungu
yes.
Mambo kama hayo yasitokee kwa sababu ni mambo ambayo yanasababisha vifo vya watu.
Yes.
Many people are losing their life, so sio vizuri.
They die.
Yeah, some people die.
So how do you tell my subscriber?
I'm telling your subscriber that first of all they make sure that wa subscribe vizuri.
Yes.
Kiingereza kinanichenga, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
Wa subscribe vizuri.
Yes. This guy is very sad. He's saying but yes. You should subscribe.
Yes. I'm telling you that subscribe to Mwita
Official.
They call you you are known as Mwita Official.
Yeah, YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yes.
They must subscribe, like and comment everything you want. Comment
yes.
very well.
Yes.
Because Mwita is making good videos. We like it. In Tanzania, we are watching you.
Oh, thank you, my brother. Thank
all
you.
Your cabinets from YouTube.
Okay. So you have been here like days. Umekuwa hapa siku ngapi?
I have been here since leo ni kama siku ya 4 kuanzia tu hapa.
How do you say about YouTube? Maybe some people they want to hear from you. How do you see this YouTube sometimes?
This YouTube sometimes I see is good.
Yes, let me. Yes. Come here, come this way. Yes.
Yes, I'm talking about this YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube is a good,
good platform.
Yeah, good platform or project. It's a good project.
Yes.
Because it makes some vijana wanaendelea, inasababisha vijana waendelee,
yes.
Na vijana wanafanya maendeleo.
Yes.
Kwa sababu ni jambo zuri sana vijana wakifanya maendeleo inapendeza sana.
Okay.
I like
guys, he's saying that in YouTube it has been transforming people's life.
Yes.
So keep on supporting us.
Yes.
Is what he's saying. Support
yes.
us so that we can have
yes.
the what we call
can upgrade.
Yes, we can have even this is a platform that we normally get the food from there.
Yes.
We normally it's like our work, like our office.
Yes.
We normally do a lot in YouTube so that you can gain. So this is what he's saying.
Yeah.
Keep supporting. One day I think you could open the channel.
Yes.
You understand some English.
Yes,
you could open the channel.
Yes. About some English.
Yeah.
I can speak English, some of English.
Oh.
But
A few.
Yeah, a few of English.
Oh.
Not a lot, but a few of English. Yeah,
But they like broken
practice,
English.
yeah.
We are not perfect in speaking, but we try. Yaani nasema kwamba hata
yeah.
sisi tunajaribu. Yes.
But I know that.
Yes.
Na ninaamini kwamba perfect.
Yeah.
Practice,
Makes better.
Make perfect.
Yes.
So one day we can upgrade and we can talk a good English.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Mwita.
Yes.
I like it. I like your project.
Thank you so much, my brother.
I
Maybe
hope
one day
more blessing.
you can even build my house. You don't know. But
I wish you more blessing. God bless you. God bless your project.
thank you so much.
Yes.
Guys, this is one of the hardman.
Yes.
He's working here, and today is day 4, if I'm not wrong. Maybe day 4 or 5. He's still here, and we have another tall man here. How are you, my friend? How are you, my friend?
How are you there?
Let me come. I'm coming for you. So, guys, I'm up, and I want to show you the progress. My friend, greet me. How are you? Ongea kwa Kiswahili. Speak in Kiswahili. Guys, I'm telling him to speak in Kiswahili because he can't understand more English. So let me. I want to give the chance so that he can greet you in Kiswahili. Tabaki kwa Kiswahili man. Editing. You can take it going swing. Waambia to subscribe. Yeah, watch video. Don't fear. Guys, he's fearing, so let me. I don't want to waste the time because I'm grieving. So this is the one of the top master we have here, and her name. What is your name?
What's up? I'm Geoffrey PM.
PM.
Yes.
PM, which means?
Yes, we are trying to do something here.
Yes.
We are on the top here. As you see that we are trying to put this timber.
Yeah.
Because we are putting this timber,
Yes.
we are going to put the iron.
Okay.
Yes. So there.
Yes.
The next is at concrete, isn't it?
Yeah.
So today, this is the work we are doing here.
Yes.
Yeah, we are putting this timber from there to here.
Yes.
And we want to finish at the this part.
Yes.
Yes. So it's the work for today.
Maybe tomorrow you can finish.
We will finish and then
Yeah.
there is something
Because the remaining place I can see it.
we put the balcony there.
Yeah.
Yes, there is a balcony. I think from for on that side,
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
not putting the balcony.
Yes.
But from there, from that place,
Yes.
up to there,
Yeah.
we are going to put the.
We should
balcony.
put.
Because there, on that side,
Yes.
there is a.
Maybe you can
there is a
show us.
building, yes.
Let me
That's what I
come.
want to show people.
You know, you are speaking, but some people they don't get what you speak. Oh God. So tell us, explain to us. Yes.
As you see, there is a pillar down there, isn't it?
Okay.
There is a pillar there.
Yes.
So that pillar,
Yes.
it's coming.
It's coming up.
Yes, up to here.
Yes.
So we don't put anything here.
Yes.
Because there is a building.
Still will be
this place,
constructed.
Yes, there is a construction is continue on that place.
Yes.
But in that place,
Which one?
this place from
Yes.
here,
Yes.
from here,
Yeah.
we are going to put the balcony,
Okay.
which surrounding this old building. Yes, that as you know, the work of balcony
Yes.
is to
Support all.
support. I think the what we call window and the window.
Okay.
The other one, the rain is raining.
Yeah.
It's save that water.
From raining on the house.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So that's the work of the balcony. So that's why we are going to put the balcony.
Simama huku mwangaza. Okay, say anything you wish to tell my subscriber.
Okay, something can I say for the subscriber? Make sure that you subscribe to this video.
Yes.
Also watch Full.
Yes.
Yes, don't forget to watch Full, subscribe and share for the more than 10 people, because we want to get more than 1,000 subscribers, because you are the one who make Mwita
Yeah.
to get more subscriber.
Yes.
When you support Mwita, he get more subscriber.
Yeah.
Yes, to road 1,000.
Yes. It will
That's
be a
my
good thing.
advice.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Don't worry.
Because I want to
Shout out,
leave,
son.
and there's a place I'm going to. One of our subscribers building in Nyabuhansi, but I don't know the exact place. But I think I'm going to see. I will ask and I will get the place. If I will not, then I will tell you. Okay. So I want to leave, but still you can see the work.
You are the one who want to construct.
No, I'm going to
see.
to visit someone construction. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is he started I think this week, and he's still under foundation. So I'm going to see, yeah, and visit some of our fellow YouTubers. So this is the work, guys. You can see, and I think maybe tomorrow they will be winding up. So we have here my brother. How are you, my friend? And where are you putting on the cape? Why did you? Yeah.
Why are you putting?
I'm putting cap because
It's from from the sun to prevent sun from.
and my skin.
Who give you that cape? You know, sometimes we normally
Cap,
say that maybe you inherit from our grandparents.
yeah, my father.
Your father,
Yeah.
he loved you so much. So what's your name? You know, I want to leave. Take let me like within 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes to say hi. Then I go.
Yeah, man.
What's your
Hi,
name? Start
people.
from
My
your name.
name is Johanna Mwamason here.
Yes.
Today I'm doing job in Mayuguno site.
Yes.
Because in Mayuguno it
Yes.
supports the end guns.
Yes.
So welcome Mwita official YouTube channel.
Yes.
Subscribe, comment, share and like. Because can you support any people?
Yes.
But tomorrow all the end day,
Yes.
we
Things
will
change.
support
Us.
others.
Yeah. You know, YouTube is so funny. Today you are working hard. Tomorrow, someone who was working with, maybe he give you the work. You don't know. So what he's trying to say is that support the channel. One day I can support you. Yeah, by giving the work.
End day.
Do you subscribe to my channel?
Very well.
Oh, have you already subscribed to my channel? Thank you so much. So how do you say, maybe you should be, maybe you want to talk to my subscribers so that telling them to subscribe? Maybe,
Your channel.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying that any people for watching your video
Yes.
can subscribe,
Yes.
comment, share, and support you all. Support any people.
Yes.
Because in Africa, life is very expensive.
Yeah, it's very hard. No, it's expensive. You know, expensive, it means that we use a lot of money. But we use a small money, but it is so difficult to get that money. So that's how he's trying to say. So, Johanna who?
Johanna Dera.
Dera. Thank you so much, my brother. So I want to go to Nyabuhans right away. So today, you want to finish there before you leave?
Today is not finished, but I will tired.
You are tired, so you want to leave?
I'm leaving home because home is far away.
Yeah, in Tanzania there.
Tanzania there.
And we know the situation right now. So we are just, maybe tomorrow you will finish.
Tomorrow,
Yes.
I think we'll finish.
You will finish. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be here. I'll be here. So thank you so much. Before I go, let me say thank you so much for doing this. Anyone who is watching, this is the mason, and who can see the work from this. I think it's like 1 week they have been here and they are trying to do something good in this place. So this is the project. This is the Maigunos Villa Rendima. Is under construction. Still we are going to push more energy is required. So subscribe, share the video, and also make sure when you mean let me go.
One side, let me say.
Yes.
I like to say that.
Yes.
I like you to promote our job.
Yes.
Promote us, our job on YouTube channel.
Yes.
Yeah, show them or tell them how are we doing the good work.
Yeah.
Yes. Then they can get the job.
Yes.
And our life can be greater.
Yeah. For real, you know, the Mason from Tanzania, they do better.
Yes.
Actually, they do better. Once you give them the construction,
Yes.
they do better.
Yes.
And you can see, I don't lie because most of the people here in Jabuhansi,
Yes.
they normally take
Yes.
the Mason from Tanzania because they are better in construction.
We are good.
And as you can see, the work is well done.
Yes.
And I think maybe even me, I don't know,
Yes.
if God give me the that opportunity of building, then I supposed to take the mason from there. I know how they are building,
Yes.
so good, and we like your job. So
Yes, guys.
guys, if you're watching, is saying that maybe if maybe one of you, maybe someone wants to build, you can give them the job because they are from here.
Yes.
And it will be a good thing. Give them the job in the village, outside the village, anywhere. They are ready to go and work.
Yes.
So this is one of my friend.
Yes.
Actually, is from Tanzania.
Yeah.
Your name? Let me remind your name.
My name is Anthony Mwita.
Anthony Mwita.
Yes. My father is have a name like yours.
A common name.
Yes,
No, Mwita is a common name.
Yes.
Actually, is from Tanzania, guys.
Yes. Now I wish you the best, all YouTubers,
Yes.
viewers, subscribers.
Yes.
Yes. Have a nice day.
Yes.
Now we have finished our job. We want to go back in Tanzania. Then tomorrow we're gonna come back morning, very early in the morning, and start the job.
Yeah, thank you,
Yes.
my brother.
Thank you, Mwita.
Maybe God, if willingly God will plan,
Yes.
then we shall do. And we are here for you. Thank you so much, bro. So guys, let me go. I want to go because he was asking about that. If any one of you you have a job within the village, outside the village, and I want a good muscle to work, then I'm telling you, look for Tanzanian muscle. They are better. Even Marwan I know. My one he knows. Gitriba is. I think you can see Coco is doing something good because Kenyan Mason they did, but after Mara came and I realized that there's a mistake, they start again and they look for a Mason from Tanzania to come and fix that thing. So we can imagine, even the Villa, the Mason that they did or who worked there is from Tanzania. Even Mayuguno is one of them, is from Tanzania at that time. And we normally say thank you so much wherever you are. So let me go. We shall see you from there. Keep watching the video, guys. Yes, guys, I thought it's here, and I've already confirmed this construction. So I'm going to heading there because this is the Nico Buddha. As you can see, this is Nico Buddha motorbike, and I think we can new mean because I thought it was here, and I'm not wrong. I came, and in God's grace, I found. So let me go, let me enter. Okay. People there, some are still in the work, some have already done. So I think because this is the progress, guys. You can see very amazing, and this is one of the.
Hi.
How are you, my friend?
I'm good.
You're good.
Yeah, we are working.
You are here.
Yeah, we are working.
Okay.
Yeah,
how is everything?
Everything is fine.
Yes.
Yes, welcome to our home. You know, this is my brother's construction area.
Oh, Fadela is your brother?
Yeah, he's my brother.
Oh, we should take care.
Yeah, welcome home.
So guys, this man, I think we worked with you at the Gakes home, grandma home. Is it a grandma or his
mom.
Her mom?
Yeah, his mom.
His mom.
Yeah.
So we worked with this guy.
It's a long time.
Okay, it's for real, for real. What's your name?
I am always Kibe. You can check me out as always Kibe.
Kibe.
Yeah, always Kibe. My hands that, but I cannot show you. K-I-B.
No, don't worry, don't worry.
Always Kibe.
Yes.
You can check me out, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
To 1,000 subscribers and show me love there. Like and comment by supporting me. Always Kibe, guys.
Okay.
I don't know your name in fact for now.
Mwita, my name is always Mwita.
Always Mwita.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And yeah, I can see.
welcome.
Yes. So this is your home.
Yeah, no, my name is there. This is my brother's
Oh, land.
land. So mine is there.
Okay. Maybe in future, you don't know. After this one, I pray for you. After this one.
After this one, maybe it's me.
Yeah, I pray for you. We have Nico Buddha. Yes. Okay. Guys, they are doing screeding.
Yeah, we are mixing this. We are using this mortar to the screeding of the foundation there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today is the day. Today is day 4.
Today
3.
working the house, the foundation of the house.
Yeah, guys, I've been watching, and I said today I went to the funeral and I said let me come here. Although I came late, but I think tomorrow I will join them very early in the morning. So as you can see, they are still under construction, and they are building the foundation. Yeah, as you can see, this is always Kibe. Subscribe, watch the video, and also make sure you like the video. Okay, this is the work, guys. So before, let me some people are there sitting, so I just want to meet with them, and tomorrow I will be official in the work. So let's proceed. Thank you, my brother. So this is the work, guys. You can see, and it's a good thing for real. My brother, how are you?
I'm good.
You are good.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm going to
Okay, you just go and take the shower. Guys, let me proceed because people are still there. There's a fellow YouTuber. They are here and we are gonna share with them. We have here Fema.
Yes, how are you?
We have brother. Yeah, I'm fine.
Yes.
How is everything?
Everything is going
I can
on.
see you are tired.
Yeah, I'm very tired. You know, I've been working since the morning and now it is 5:40, almost 6.
That's how YouTube is.
Yes.
So, but I think you really enjoy. You know, Nyabuhans is something good.
Yeah.
It's a good village. You normally today you build here, tomorrow you'll be building another side. We don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe to another day you'll be building your house.
Yeah, God willing.
Yeah,
Amen.
that's what
I'm
we
waiting
say.
for that day.
So this is Fema.
Yeah.
Check it out. Subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
It is road to 1,000 subscribers. How's
Yeah,
your
almost.
channel doing?
Me, like I'm almost 700.
Yeah. Wow.
My channel goes slow by slow. I don't know why, but I think one day I will reach there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, go and subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
Push me to 1,000 subscribers. Comment you are from I am Manguvu's channel.
Yes.
And I really appreciate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the honor girl in the village. Sometimes some people they don't want to do the job. So girls they can't do the certain job building. They are like I don't know how can I put it, but they can't.
They find it difficult.
Difficult to do it. So this is the construction, and they are still under construction. But I think tomorrow I will join you.
Yeah.
So early in the morning I will be with you.
Hello,
How are you, my friend?
I'm good.
You're good.
What about you?
I'm so great to meet you. Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so we are here.
Yes.
We are done. The day is heading to an end. The lighting, the sun now is
Yeah,
on
that's
this
why
side.
I'm pointing.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah,
Let
so
me stand here.
yeah, let me stand. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is Brushy B.
Yes.
Brushy B. Go and check out that Brushy B, guys. Kindly. If it's your first time seeing me, go and check out Brushy B. You'll find good things there. I don't know if my network is
Working.
internet is doing
Yeah,
well.
we are almost in the network. It can work.
I can
Maybe you show them.
Yeah, Brushy B.
Okay.
Is it physical?
Subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah. Go and check out there, guys. If it's your first time seeing me,
Yes.
go and check out, and also take Manguvu
Yes.
to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly, guys, so that he can monetize his channel. The goal is to monetize the channel. That's the big goal. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Continue supporting. We don't take it for granted.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Manguvu.
Yes. How was the work?
The work was good.
Yes.
You see now the backfilling is done.
Oh, you are backfilling.
No, for me I was just assisting.
Oh, carrying the
Yeah,
stones.
yeah, but I was also backfiller.
Okay.
Yeah, assisting.
Tomorrow I think.
So
Screening.
tomorrow will be the
Screening
screening
is
also
almost
is
over.
almost over.
So they will
So
start building
tomorrow they will start building the
or raising
blocks.
up the walls.
Yeah. And
Wow.
maybe building the pillars.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
So that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, my brother.
Yeah,
Thanks so
yeah,
much.
yeah.
Let me proceed to Ken God.
Can go, Ray.
Yeah, guys, as you can see, they are still. Maybe tomorrow they will be finishing up screening. I don't want to tell you, but I think they will finish. So we can see the construction, and my brother is here. How are you, my friend?
I am doing fine. How are you?
So many days without
So many-
meeting.
yeah, exactly.
How do you feel?
I feel okay now that I know you are okay.
Yes, I'm
and
okay.
I can see you.
Yes, thank
How
you
are
so
you
much.
doing?
I'm doing good,
Uh-huh.
and we thank God for that.
Even on my side,
Yes,
I am doing good.
yes,
It's by God's grace that we are here.
yes,
And
for real.
again, you can see me with the book.
Yeah. Oh,
We are just. This is for knowing the expenses, all the workers in the site.
yeah, for real. It's good to record.
so that during payment,
Yeah, we
you
don't get
towards,
confused.
Okay. Confusion. Exactly.
That's good.
But you can see today's work has been amazing.
Oh.
Today was backfilling,
Yes.
and the soil was too much.
Okay.
So the soil was has been transported to the side. Do you see that big
Oh, in that place, over that place.
It was removed inside here.
Yes.
Yeah. And again, the screeding is going on.
Yes, as you can see, guys, screeding.
You can see the screeding is still going on.
Yes.
But the day has been amazing.
Yes.
We can't complain.
Yeah.
We thank God for everything.
For real.
And now we are almost calling it a day. Then we come back again tomorrow.
Okay.
Continue to build Africa.
Okay, that's
Yes.
what is it. So maybe some people they want to know.
Okay.
Maybe a brief tour. Maybe you can take a short
Okay.
tour of the house.
House tour.
Yeah, house tour. It can be good.
So over here
Yeah.
is a porch.
Okay.
So that seems like the front door. So we call it a porch. See, when someone comes in,
Yes.
maybe there will be a chair here.
Okay.
So you can just come
And sit
see
there.
the way like for grandma.
Yeah.
That big space.
Yes.
So here, that is the space.
Okay.
Yes. Then now this is the sitting room.
Wow. Very big.
Very big.
Very big.
This will be the sitting room.
Yeah.
First of all, this is a 3-bedroom house. 3-bedroom bungalow.
Yeah. It's a bungalow.
Is a
For
bungalow.
real.
Yes. So this is
Good.
the bedroom.
Yes.
No, sitting room. Then here,
Yes.
this is bedroom one.
Or bedroom one.
Bedroom one.
Yes.
Then here,
Yeah.
you see here,
Yeah.
there is a small room.
Yeah.
Because this is a space, this is a corridor.
Corridor.
So this one will be the public toilet.
Public toilet.
We call it public toilet because
Yes.
this is bedroom 2. So
Okay.
bedroom 1 and bedroom 2,
They
they will
will-
share this toilet. And
Oh.
again, if someone at the sitting room
Yeah.
who is
can use-
impressed
yeah.
can come using this corridor just to the bathroom.
Okay.
Yes. Then on this side,
Yes.
this is the dining. So
Dining.
This is the store.
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 Okay.
This will be the store. This one here
Yes.
will be just store. This is a path, a corridor, where from the sitting or from those 2 bedrooms,
Yeah.
you can just come to the sitting room. From that, you can just come to the store. And now this one here,
Yes.
this is a dining room.
Dining.
The dining room.
Yes.
Then that one
Yeah.
is the kitchen.
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 And where is the master
And
bedroom?
master bedroom is this one.
Oh,
Very big.
very big.
With the how can I say it? With its own with the master bedroom with its own toilet inside.
Okay.
Here, not this one.
Oh, this will be
See,
separate.
this one is separate.
Okay.
Yes. So here, this is the master bedroom,
Yeah.
and here will be a toilet inside. Then on
Yes.
that side,
Yeah.
will be like a balcony for the bedroom.
Wow.
Not for the sitting room. Because you can see it's been separated. So that one will be like where even if you're in a bedroom,
Yes.
there will be maybe just a door
Yeah.
created, so you can just go there and relax and charge your phone and
Oh.
if you don't want any interference from the sitting room.
Yes.
So that's the plan of then the other side.
Yeah.
That's now the back door, the veranda. You see that space over here? You can just come. Let me show you. This space over here.
Oh,
This is now just
a veranda.
outside there.
Oh,
Yeah, there will be-
very nice.
Yeah. So it's a 3-bedroom mansionette.
Yeah.
A bungalow. Sorry.
Bungar, not a
Bungalow.
mansion. And where is Fadela? I want to meet
I've
them.
seen him. Just come. I think it's this side. He
I
was
thought-
away while you arrived,
Yes.
but he has just. I've seen him by the way. I think he's. Can you check it inside the?
Let me
kitchen?
check him before I come.
Yes.
Guys, I want to check. I want to see the Fadela. I don't know. No, it's not here. Maybe let me check this place. He's not here. Maybe after, if you will come, then we will proceed because this brother is here, and I think you really know what is going on. And we have a house tour with Ken God. We can know. So I think after that tomorrow I will be here very early morning. I think I will join them because I don't have the work right now, but we have been watching them, the video and everything from this side. I said that's good. That's how we support each other. We thank God for that. And as you can see, it's the evening and they are winding up to make sure they can finish the work of today. before we go. So I hope everything is fine. Wherever you are, guys, keep subscribing to the channel. And very beautiful thing is that I know the place. Maybe if anytime I will be visiting here. So this is the place. Actually, there's a material all over this place. There's a ballast, there's a blocks in this place. So everything is good, and I hope maybe in coming days you will see something crazy coming up. And that's how we pray. We don't know, because today it can be your chance, tomorrow is another one. We don't know, but even you can remember the day you are building at the grandma. That person, the Fadela was there. So actually, but today is building his own house. You can imagine, you can believe. No one knows, but because of God's grace, God's timing is the best. We normally believe that everything can happen. Actually, it has been a good time. Once you see this happening, then you feel like you are like another world. And I don't know, maybe in future we'll have each one of us a house, maybe, because God knows we normally work to make sure we can have something like that. Buildings in Africa is not much expensive, but if you don't have money, you will see other people doing, but you can't do it because you don't have money. But you can see, and in the other side there's a Nyabuhans Girls High School. It's a national school, I think, and maybe it's a good place to build. Actually, it's a good place. There's an internet. Maybe if you want to use, there's a strong internet here. I don't know if it is Safaricom or Airtel, but I think we will know in coming days. So this is the building. As you can see, there is a sand here, all over here, ballast, amoram. Like this, I think will work like a store. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. So I don't have to take the time long, but actually we have been seeing, and I thank God me to be being here. And tomorrow I will be here also to join them, to work with them, because you know YouTube sometimes we work as a unity, we work as a friends, family. So I think tomorrow we'll be here. So I don't want to take that so long, but I hope that you have already seen what was going on. And I thank God. Oh my God, I was looking for you, my friend.
Oh, how's the meter?
I'm good.
Yes.
And what about you?
I'm good, also good.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to put some things in the store there.
Okay.
So I'm coming now from meeting the outdoor.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes.
How do you feel? You know, sometimes people they want to hear from you, and I came here because I was in the funeral in Tanzania there,
Yes.
and I said, let me come and I visit. Although I came late, but I think tomorrow I'll be here. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is Fadela, guys.
Fadela TV. I'm Fadela TV. Welcome back to Muita.
Yeah, official Muita.
Official Muita, yes, official Muita. We are here building a 3-bedroom house.
Yes.
Or dream house, and also we are building a chicken coop.
Oh.
We are building the chicken coop.
Yes.
And they are building the house.
Yeah.
I saw Nani giving you a tour.
Yeah, brief.
A brief tour.
Already.
So there is a 3-bedroom house, and then we are building a chicken coop.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a good thing, guys.
Thank you
You
so
know,
much.
I can remember the day we were building at the grandma.
Grandma.
You were there.
Yeah, I was
so
there.
That days as they are, God's time is the best.
Yeah, good time is the best. I can tell you the life has been changing.
How do you feel? You know, sometimes it's so something which you have never expected in this time.
But at this age, I
Yeah.
expected it, even building the house, the wall.
Yeah.
Now I'm building the house,
Yes.
the chicken coop. I'm seeing like people are now believe I've been like a mentor. I know other people now believe like life can change. in a
Yes,
short
for
time.
real.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's true because
It's true, but I know it's through YouTube only.
Oh, it's really true.
No other platform can
no
do.
No other platform, just YouTube and then hard work.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, that's not me. These are people who are supporting me.
Yeah.
You know, our YouTube channel, you have a community which support you to do anything.
Yes, for
But
real.
For me, people are trusting me. They're supporting me to do this or this.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
And you should pay God.
So I can say this God. God is the one who's touching them. And
Yes.
they're doing amazing thing like this.
Yes, for
God
real.
is the one touching them.
Maybe tomorrow I will visit you. I will be here.
Thank you so
So
much.
I've
Feel
already
more
done
welcome.
with the tour.
Tour.
So I wanted you to greet my people before
That's
I
good.
end this
Then
video.
greet them, guys. Go check me out for the TV. Maybe I can show them my channel.
Okay,
so
show them.
It can be easy for them to search me. Fadela TV.
Fadela TV Daily.
Yes.
Okay, guys, subscribe to his channel.
Yes,
He's the one who
support him.
building.
Yes.
And I think every day you will see him in my channel.
Yes.
So thank you,
Thank you, bro.
thank you so much. Yeah, guys, I want to end this video. This is the Fadela TV is here, and I am so grateful to meet with him because I thought he was not here, but he actually came, and I can say now I can end the video because what I have been waiting finally I met with him, and actually he's here controlling all the process in this place, and I think as time goes we will seeing him in my channel. So thank you so much. Have a nice time. Have a nice good day. For those people who will be watching, remember to give a video like, subscribe, share the video, and also make sure you watch until the end because we can have that support from you guys. Yeah.
Mngezeka basi ndani. Isemi kai safi.
So this is the construction. Let me end my video from this place. This is the screening. Bro, how are you? You're good. Oh, I was telling that person to reduce the volume. So this is the work, guys. The screening is still undergoing. I think you have already finished it. So you want to maybe tomorrow you will complete the remaining part. Okay, that's good. That's nice. What's your name, my friend?
My name is Dixon.
Dixon.
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
No.
Where are you from?
From Nyabuhansi.
Oh, and you don't have a YouTube channel. Why? Why? I'm so crazy. But why do you don't have a YouTube channel? You know, here it is like an industry. And if you are from Nyabuhansi, maybe you don't like to have a YouTube channel. Oh. But you are doing amazing. You could be showing people how you do it. Yeah.
I will open a channel.
Maybe you should be open.
Yeah.
Look for a plan of opening the channel. Guys, I want to end my video. And maybe tomorrow, by God's willing, I think I'll be here. So thank you so much for always being with me. Thank you so much by watching my video. Be able to give a like, share the video, and I invite some people to come and enjoy my channel. It will be amazing. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.